In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change language on Pluto TV. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to change language on Pluto TV, you must first actually open it up inside of your computer. And from there, we can just head over to the URL at the top. As you can see, right now it says pluto.tv/UK/on-demand. However, when we click on it, it opens up this secret bit at the end, which says $lang equals English. And what this means is the language is set to English. So in order to actually change the language, we must first change what is up here at the top. For example, if we wanted it in German, we can do Germany's area code, which is DE. And when we click enter on this, it will now show us it in German, as you can see. In order for that to change the language on the entire site, you must either be in Germany or be on a German VPN. Now, since my URL still says UK, that's why it's not showing me all of the writing in German. Only some of it, such as this. So what we have to do in that situation is go to our browser settings. And this will be different on every browser, but on Opera, we can find this down here at the bottom. Now on Opera, we can actually add a preferred language, and as you can see, all of mine are English. So in order to add your native language, you can click Add Language, and you can simply tick the one you want to add and click Add. So that's how you can change language on Pluto TV. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.